Right fertilization is the single most important factor to take your maize farm from this to this. However, that is where most people get it wrong. As more and more plants and crops or even weeds grow on a piece of land, the soil gradually loses its nutrients. For example, for every ton of whole plant corn harvest, we remove from the soil about 25 kilograms of nitrogen, 5 kilograms of phosphorus, and 20 kilograms of potassium. That means that if you want to regrow maize or any other thing on that land the coming years, you will need to replace these lost nutrients in order to have a satisfactory corn yield for the years to come. As a rule of thumb, you will need to supplement about 100 kilograms of nitrogen, 280 kilograms of phosphorus, and 100 kilograms of potassium per hectare in order to achieve this. But it is very important to understand which nutrient is necessary for the plant growth and at what stage. Otherwise, if you apply a nutrient at the wrong time, you may harm your crops instead. The good news though is that you will know the right way to fertilize maize farms, which is also backed by research at the end of this video. But I must chip this in first. The cost of fertilizers is peaking in as fertilizers account for almost half of the cost involved in maize production. Fertilization strategies you would want to consider for your maize farm are the basal fertilization and foliar fertilization. Basal application fertilizers are applied near the base of the sown seed, usually one day before or after sowing. For maize, the most important nutrient necessary at this early stage is phosphorus. Therefore, you will need to apply fertilizers with large amounts of phosphorus and a little of both nitrogen and potash. Get, for example, a fertilizer with NPK value of 10, 30, 10 and bury about 5 to 10 grams of this fertilizer 2 inches below and 2 inches beside each hole containing 2 seeds. After this, the next fertilization will be at the stem elongation stage. This stage begins about 4 to 5 weeks after germination. This corn growth stage can predict the number of grains that will develop in a given crop row. At this stage of the plant growth, corn needs the most nitrogen along with plenty of water and other nutrients. It is therefore necessary to this time apply a fertilizer with higher nitrogen content. For example, one with NPK value of 4600. Simply put, get urea fertilizer at this stage. The main function of urea fertilizer is to provide the plants with nitrogen to promote green leafy growth and make the plants look lush. Urea also aids the photosynthesis process of plants.